Hello, G Gang. Hello, all. Welcome to another episode on the channel. Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode on channel again. Today is Saturday, the 3rd of August, and I decided to vlog. So, if you are very familiar with the times, this weekend or for like the last 2 days, there's been like a protest in Nigeria, and things have been slow. So I have a friend over who came to like spend the protest period with me. So I decided to vlog today. Today's just a very random lazy Saturday, and I got out of bed quite late, like past 10 a.m. ish. However, my friend is the one cooking because I've been the one cooking for like the last couple of days. She's been here, so she's the one cooking today, and I have a couple of chores to do today. I have to clean the house and wash the bathroom. I've never filmed a working at home vlog, but I'm gonna try to do that today. I'm going to try to film a working at home vlog. But before we get into all that, let me show you guys what Toby is up to. She's the one cooking, so let's go to the kitchen. Let's go and meet her. Okay.
Guys, listen to me. I'm filming you.
So that's Toby. That's the cook. So say hello to the camera. What are you cooking for us? Tell us. Walk us through. What are you cooking?
Okay, so we're making beans. And with something.
I'm planting. Kitchen is a mess. I'm watching Big Brother. Yeah, fans. Say hello. So Toby, now tell us. Take the mic. What does it? Do you think this food is going to be delicious? And if it's not delicious, what should we do to it? Don't be shy.
Obviously, it's going to be very tasty. But if it's not, nothing you can do. You cannot give me. But don't worry. Chef is gonna be with them. This is Chef Lover.
Tell my subscribers in shout out. Tell them to subscribe to my channel that they should please, so I can pay my rent by next year.
So please, guys, she needs this a whole lot. So please subscribe to Gloria's channel. Kisses.
Bye. Thank you, Toby. Hi guys, this is the loafer I have in my house. So this is my sister. She's a loafer living in my house rent free. But anyway, that's just it. Anyway, so this is like past 12 and we've not even had breakfast yet. And I have like a lot of chores to do because I need to like clean the house, sweep, mop, wash the bathroom, and yeah, just like house chores. So when we are done eating, I'm going to show you the meal when Toby's done cooking. Then when we are done eating, I'll get into the chores and we'll do chores together. So yeah, that's just it. Toby is leaving me because she's going to see a man, and I feel really sad because this, like you said, choose your friends wisely. Imagine your friend betraying you because of a man.
A man.
Guys, there's no
A
proof.
man.
There's no proof, please.
She's also not supposed to be here till tomorrow Sunday, and she's literally leaving on a Saturday because of a man.
Just because, but there's no proof, guys. So
There's
I'll
proof.
see you guys
I have
later.
proof. I have proof. She doesn't know that there's no camera in the house. I have proof. Well, let's
I'll
have
see you
it
guys
going.
later.
Let's have
Bye.
it going. Okay, so I'm home alone. Toby just left, and I need to do chores. I need to sweep the house, clean the kitchen, which we cooked in the morning. It's really a mess. I was not going to do that today, but Toby leaving has kind of motivated me because we've just been having a very, very lazy Saturday, and we just ate and we've been gisting, talking about life, career, boys, and a lot of other stuff. So now she has gone, and my sister is not home too, so I have enough time to clean and not be interrupted by anybody. So let's clean again. I think by now you should get used to seeing me with just my locks, because I'm inside my house and I cannot be doing makeup. Because a friend of mine, like a very close friend, that said, "Oh Gloria, why are you not wearing wigs in your video?" I can't be wearing wigs when I'm inside my house. Like, who wears wig inside their house? But I know, yes, I'm coming on social media and I'm posting, but guys, I'm not even trying to shalaye, but then it is what it is. It's what you see, it's what you get. When I'm going out, yes, I will wear wigs. When you're in Rome, behave like a Roman, but when you're in your house, behave like you're in your house. So let's get cleaning.
A few moments later.
Guys, I don't know, man. It's few minutes to 1 a.m. This is about 12:52, and I still have a lot to do. I need to mop the floor. I still need to wash the bathroom and mop the entire house, literally. Still need to take a bath, and it is past midnight, and I'm awake. My overly active ADHD brain wants to do everything tonight and just know, okay, I would sleep till like midday because I have a friend coming over tomorrow. Meanwhile, on the other hand, my body is telling me to just take a bath, stop everything I'm doing, take a bath and go to bed. Then I would most likely continue by morning. But I don't know which would win at this point, if it's my brain or my body. So it's really like a serious dilemma now, and yeah, and it's midnight. I'm just laying here trying to still figure out what I want to do, but let's see how it goes. guys, so this is 5:18 a.m. if you can see, 5:18 a.m. and I just finished all my chores. And I've had a bath now. So imagine me washing my bathroom by 4 a.m. in the morning. This was supposed to be like a day in the live vlog, but the way it is now, it has turned to almost 2 days in the life, but then it is what it is. So I'm basically done now. So my house is spick and span, and my bathroom is like very clean, laundry done, kitchen clean, so everything is basically clean now, and it is time to go to bed. And yes, I am ready to go to bed now and sleep into the afternoon. But I might not really sleep into the afternoon because I have a guest coming over today, or later in the day, so I should be up by probably 11 a.m 12 noon ish, and just like try to prepare for my guests that's coming. Okay, so that's it guys. Like, I'm really feeling sleepy already, and I know once I lay down I will not even feel sleepy again. But yeah, so this is just me trying to end the vlog. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, I do not take your love for granted. Thank you for always watching my content, and yeah, God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.